Hello everybody, this is Paul here. Usually start my videos out with me catching the fish and showing it to you, but today's going to be a little different video. Ma and I was at Sherman, Texas today when my daughter called and said, Dad, we had a really bad storm come through. Had a lot of damage here. So I'm going to walk around the property and show you some things. I'm going to start out here on the back porch. That is a Blackstone griddle. Plumb blowed it over. A limb, I think that is out of pecan tree right there. We'll go around the house this way, head up to the garden. The garden's not as bad a shape as I thought it was from the pictures that Amber sent me, but quite a bit of limbs here. Great big one there in the driveway. Yard's just littered. Those trash cans was about 100 feet north of here. I'll show you where those come from. We'll go around in front of the house here. Got this big limb down. Got another limb down here in front of the house. Goes our neighbor. This big limb is down. Got another one. Part of the house has come loose there. Got another big limb here against the house. Walk over here and show you something else. This gun rack right here was actually sitting way out there by that building that's blown over. We'll be on it here just in a second. But that blew to here. These are my tables I leave out here for the kids when they come and practice 4-H shooting. That one's okay, but I don't think this one fared as well. Looks like it's a goner. Yeah, it looks like it's a goner. The legs have all broke off of it. Blowed over our big gun rack. Didn't lose none of the chairs here that I know of. Haven't looked, don't see any. Had 2 cement blocks sitting on top of this building to keep it closed. It blew the front off of it. And opened it up. Let's see if our door's gonna close. That looks in good shape. This is not. This is the trap house thrower. Hopefully it didn't get soaking wet. We're going up to the, this is the high house. It looks to be intact. Everything inside it looks good, but this is what's bad. This is our low house. Yesterday when I left, there was cracks in the ground here. Now we've got water standing. This building was upright when I left. Now she's down. Thrower seems to be good. It's moved over a little. I figure my power converter back there is gone. These skeet here, probably got a couple boxes of them busted. Dennis Mason just brought those to us yesterday. Let's go and check the boat shed. Check inside and see if the boat's okay. Boat looks good. Nothing there. some of my other sheds. A few tree limbs down, but whatever happened right here. There's just little limbs everywhere. Tractor's got a few limbs on it, but it's okay. There's just debris here everywhere. Gonna take a while to clean all this up. Got one big limb over here I see. Yeah, one big limb there on the ground. These two trash cans was way over there by that building when I left. Well, folks, that's about it. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. Try to get those skeet out and see how many of them's busted. We were going to try to have practice Friday night, and I think we probably still can. I think I can get enough put back together for the kids to come practice. We'll see. As always, folks, thanks for watching our videos, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. This is Paul saying goodbye.